So you're looking at those details when you have to draw it.
But nature journaling is to document what you see, what you hear, what you do out here.
Because the riparian zone protects the river.
So my name is Adrienne Now, and I am the Science Coordinator for Merced County Office of Education. California Next Generation Science Standards have infused the environmental principles and concepts, and we've taken those environmental principles and we're trying to increase environmental literacy for our students, but do it in a natural way. This is a real world experience. We're out here, we're not reading about the river, we're touching the river, we're smelling the river, we're hearing the river. One of the students yesterday, when I said, what did you notice? And this was a question I asked as we got closer to the river, they said, all of a sudden it got cooler, right? That's something we can't replicate in a textbook. We can tell them what it is, we can say how it's happening, we can tell them the scientific and environmental principles of that happening, but they noticed it on their own, and then that fostered that curiosity. So by this experience, they're gonna find their passion, whether it's recreation, whether it's the agricultural connection with the irrigation, they find a passion, the conservation, and then they go back and they become self-starters and self-learners, and they get some autonomy in their learning by experiencing it firsthand in the real world, in a real site. And then when they go back and they have that curiosity, it drives real learning to make those connections for themselves and long-lasting knowledge. Today we're going to take them on a discovery hike where we're going to pause several times and have them notice and wonder and make connections through reminding. And as they notice, those are a way to track their observations. And their wonders, those are a way to increase student curiosity. And when we ask them to remind of something else, they're making connections to other parts of their lives. And then we ask them to record those in their nature journal. It's going to be done through drawings, through words, through numbers, whatever they need to record their day for themselves. And as we go through these lessons, the students start to slow down and build some mindfulness skills as well. And this is very different than the last 18 months of distance learning. They spent a lot of time on Zoom. The other thing that they're having is, because we're in an outdoor environment and it's safe, they can reconnect with the other students. So they're building relationships, they're fostering a community, and that community all centers around the experience here at the Merced River.